Good evening, my dear friends. Welcome to PRCUMP. Today's session we are going to give you a hands-on or demo on rotate up. Like I have written something. My name is Kamal Dash. How are you? This I have written, and see the content is extended to 4 cells. So I click on merge and center. What happens for that? It comes in a particular cell. It merged and come into particular cell and align center. This is whole thing is present in home tab. Now what I want to do is vertically rotate up. So what I have to do, nothing. In the home tab present, see there is something called orientation, and when I click on orientation, rotate text up. Before that, let me increase the row height, otherwise you can't understand. Like I keep it 200. Yeah, this much is enough. Now on clicking on orientation and rotate text up, see this thing happen. Now in the previous demo I illustrated the thing with this much vertical text. So what is the difference between these two? The fact is, when you are clicking on vertical text, all these letters in a particular line remain as usual, means in the proper. Only the thing is, just it move, it's like climbing upwards, but here it's originally gets rotated from right to left. This is the main difference. So this is all about the session regarding rotate text up in the Excel demo representing PRCUMP. Official website is prccump.org.in. My name is Tomaldas representing PRCUMP. Email is dastomal6@gmail.com. Call is 8420791558, as well as the WhatsApp number. Provide 3 services. One is selling government registered certificate course on different courses on computer, by sell design balance flex posters and sell dry fruits. Thank you for being with us, and stay for more updates. Thank you.